How to disable notifications on Steam. So what you need to do is open up Steam. Once you've opened up Steam, you have to go to your Friends tab right here in the top left corner of the screen, and then click View Friends List. Once you've done that, you need to head over to the Settings on the Friends tab. Here you go, Manage List Settings, the gear icon. And from here, you gotta click on Notifications. Now, I didn't change this at all. I guess this is how it automatically is. But if you want to turn off the notifications, you just gotta check everything off. Let's see, when a friend joins the game, when a friend comes online, when I receive a direct chat message, when I receive a chat room notification, yeah, sure. So you can basically play around this and check everything to your liking. When I receive a chat room notification, group events and announcements, I don't care. And there you go. You don't have to save anything, you can just close it and it's automatically saved. And that's how to turn off notifications on Steam. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.